wheat harvesting in many parts of China has been made much easier than before with the help of science and technology. 27-year-old Liu Fukang returned to his home village in Henan province to do farm work in 2020, 5 years after graduating from university. Henan is often referred to as the granary in China's Central Plains. It holds significant agricultural importance in China, accounting for around a quarter of the country's total annual wheat output. Liu has clearly felt how wheat harvesting has changed since his grandpa's generation.
我爷爷年轻的时候基本上都是用镰刀来割，然后到我父亲的时候，3轮车和4轮拖拉机是割麦的主力。现在都是用大型联合收割机，一天能收到上百亩。我们家今年种了1400亩小麦，3天或4天基本上就能收完了。
Liu said, initially he had reservations about returning to his hometown instead of working in a big city. However, his perspective gradually changed.
但真正接触农业以后，发现农业很有意思。包括现在出的无人机都可以很省时很省力。这3年我对农业有了新的认识，现代农业机械化和智能化程度非常高，需要掌握新的知识、新的技术，很有挑战性。我觉得现在的农业前景很不错，我要沿着父辈们的足迹继续干下去。